Today is day one on the West Coast Trail. Emily and I are setting out going north to south on this 75-kilometer journey. It's definitely going to be different than any other trail we've done before. It has a bunch of beach walking, ladders, cable cars, and dealing with ocean tides. So a lot of new challenges for us to face, but we're definitely excited to get a head start and see what it has in store for us.
Very early on to the trail, we learned that wildlife would be abundant. About 5 minutes in, we saw our first black bear, and soon after that, we had a beach view of some sea lions. All along the shore were dozens of tide pools, each one housing their own unique ecosystem. Aside from the wildlife, there were also ladders. This would be a common obstacle that we would come across over the course of the next 5 days. The trail balances itself out rather well. By the time you are tired of walking through the forest, you'd find yourself beach walking. Day one also included our first cable car, which was a fun experience, but honestly a little bit harder than we expected. We flew through the day, tackling 25 kilometers, and ended up at Twiad Falls, where we decided to make camp. This was probably the best freshwater source of water that we saw all across the trail, and it was so fun to swim in and go right under the waterfalls. It even had a little rock shelf for you to sit on.
The dinner staple, the couscous, the cranberries, also featuring a chicken packet that was left over from the PCT.
And with the easiest day on trail behind us, we put away the food, headed to bed, excited to see what day 2 had in store.